I believe with the VPSS, it was actually visualize some of the things that we could do with the machine prior to even purchasing the machine. Quality Fabricators started back in 1973, started by Jim and Annette Lovelace. Currently, we employ 125 people. 60% is the repeat, and the 40% is the new jobs. Average, we would probably be dealing with anywhere from 200 to 250 units. We're generally running about 4 to 6 weeks. Depends on the complexity of the product. We deal with the medical industry, the industrial controls industry, and the telecommunications industry. The company motto is "We make quality happen." And technical services, whether it's engineering services or our front-end processes that we go through to evaluate part prior to it getting onto the floor. That is probably one of our strengths. In the past, we have maybe purchased a machine, but there was not as much upfront visibility of what can be obtained with the machine. We've actually looked at some of the capacity issues that we've had. There was a lot of on-floor programming. Job got to the floor, the setup person would basically take the job packet, which included a drawing and any type of inspection criteria and information, and basically set up the job kind of on the fly. So in some cases what you would have is a machine sitting idle. I believe with the VPSS, it was actually visualize some of the things that we could do with the machine prior to even purchasing the machine. And basically what they did there was give us some efficiencies. In other words, here's how much time you were setting up, here's how much idle time you were, here's how much green light time you had. Along with that, we were actually given a cost benefit of using the Amada solution. Going through an evaluation process back at the Amada facility, it helped us make a decision, and it also helped us to set some guidelines and some goals on how we wanted to bring in new machinery.
We invested in 2 HDS press brakes, also the EM 2510 turret, to help us with our capacity issues. We reduced our tool change time about 30% due to the larger turret. We saved over 60% of the punching time on the machines where we did a lot of the short runs.
With Dr. Abe bending software, we were able to bring one of our setup people from the floor up to the front office and basically do the programs up front. So that's enabled us to be more efficient with our setup. An operator can now pull the program and run the parts.
I believe the VPSS process made us aware of our inefficiencies within our own manufacturing cells, and also it made us aware of what can be done working with the Amada. By using the DigiPro and DigiCaliper inspection of parts, it's much more easier. Earlier, the setup person had to do all the calculations and make the adjustments. Now the machine does it all. Our green light time went from 15% to over 60%. We have seen reduced scrap from bending, increased quality of parts, and most important, due to the operator interface on Amada brakes, we could put anyone on the brake and expect consistent reliability.
We've probably met more people in their staff than probably think of in any one other machinery company's staff. We feel very comfortable giving anyone a call at Amada. Whether it's the salesperson or a service person, we can really just pick up the phone and get an answer. From a service standpoint, we've been surprised with good service that we've received. The future plans at Quality Fabricators is to be the best at what we do, to be innovative, and to be at the cutting edge of the market and the markets that we serve. And we feel that Amada is on that same path. We feel that what we know we can do and are capable of doing, bringing along a partner like Amada along with us, we can learn from new technology that Amada has, as well as develop a lot of these things, maybe along with them. We feel that there were a lot of advantages to going with Amada only because we believe that they're looking at the future the same way that we are.